This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Lisa Takis. No HOA or CDD in desirable location of Valrico. Significant updates and renovations in 2021: all tile flooring, no carpet, spacious floor plan and large oversized backyard. Kitchen has updated cabinets, granite countertops and newer stove and dishwasher. The home has been repiped, new hot water tank, and bathrooms upgraded with new sinks, faucets and countertops. Large screened patio with separate outside sitting area is perfect to enjoy the Florida evenings. New garage door springs and keypad for convenience of entry. Outdoors includes a well-maintained lawn, nice curb appeal and a fenced yard and freshly painted shed for plenty of storage. Annual contract in place for pest/termite maintenance. Tenant occupied until May 31, 2023. Check this home out. Great rental income and/or your future Florida home. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Takis at 813-563-5995.